Hi everybody, I have a bonus video for you today with two things in it. I am going to be unboxing the Spring 2019 Kathryn Morgan Haul for you. But before we get to that, many of you have been asking about my scholarship and when we are doing the next round. We are doing one. I'm opening the Kathryn Morgan Scholarship, sponsored by Dancewear Corner, back up to you guys, and it's all the info's in the box below. As before, this is a $1,000 scholarship for one winner that you can use towards your dance training, towards your summer study, towards master classes. You have to use it towards some form of training because, as I've talked about on here with you guys many times, training is so important, but you can use it in any way that you like, especially now with summer courses coming up. That might be a great thing to put this towards. And you will also be featured in a video here on my YouTube channel. So, like I said, one winner. You have until April 30th to enter and to apply. It's very, very easy. All you have to do is fill out the little form, submit a video so I can actually see you dance, and that's it. Just make sure if you submit a YouTube or a VMO video that it is not set to private. Make sure it's unlisted or public so I can get to it. I got a lot of private YouTube videos last time and I can't watch it. And if I can't see you dance, you're automatically disqualified. So fill out the little form, submit a video. One winner. I will be announcing it sometime after April 30th, probably a couple weeks after, because it takes me a while to go through all the entries. But again, $1,000 towards your dance training. All the info in the box below. Go check it out. So now we are going to unbox the spring haul. This is a really good one. Again, if you get this box and want to be surprised, click off, go away, goodbye. If not, and you want to see what's in it, keep a watching. Spring's box, we partnered once again with Ballet Rosa. That one was a huge hit last time. I believe it was fall of 2018 we did Ballet Rosa. So we're doing another one with them, and this one is so gorgeous. The theme of this box is the Spring Fairy from Sleeping Beauty. Sleeping Beauty? No. The theme of this box is the Spring Fairy from Cinderella. Spring for Spring Fairy. I know, kind of a cop-out, but hey, had to. So the very first thing you're gonna get, like always, is a leotard, and this has to be one of the most gorgeous leotards I have ever seen in my life. Check this out. Look at this leotard. Hello, gorgeous. It is an absolutely stunning kind of aqua color with this gorgeous floral print. It's very, it's got a bit of a shimmer to it as well, and this literally screams Spring Fairy from Cinderella. I mean, look at this color. It is just stunning. The thing that's incredible about this, which thank you Ballet Rosa, is that this leotard is priced for more than the entire price point of the box. The box, as always, is $49.99. This leotard retails, I believe, for around $60, possibly even more. The leotard alone is worth more than actually you're paying for the entire box. So it is such an incredible value. Thank you, Ballet Rosa. Look at this leotard. Anyway, as far as I'm concerned, we could stop there, but we're not. The next thing is also from Ballet Rosa. This is a little towelette. You can use it to dry your hair. You can use it as a sweat rag. It has the Ballet Rosa logo on it. It's just a great thing to have in your bag, just to kind of, if you're sweating a lot, especially with summer courses coming up. There's some schools that literally don't have air conditioning and you're like, I'm dripping and dying. This is just a nice little towel to have with you. You can use this for a million things. Okay, the next item is Cucumber Aloe Facial Spray. This is just to kind of, in the middle of class, in the middle of the day, you're feeling like you need just a little refresher. That's what this is for. It's good for your skin. It's just for refreshing your face in the middle of a long dancing day. And you're also gonna get the same Cucumber Aloe facial makeup wipes. Makeup remover, this is great to have in your bag. Yours will be cucumber aloe, mine are just aloe, but you guys are getting the matching set. We all need these, especially for performances or at the end of a long dancing day. I know some of your recitals are coming up, so these are always great to have. And it's really soothing for your skin as well with all that stage makeup. It gets really gross. And then the last thing, of course, is a pink pair of tights from Dancewear Corner, because you can never have too many pink tights. So that is this box. Thank you again to Ballet Rosa. This is such an amazing, amazing value that you guys gave us a leotard that is literally worth more than the whole box. I mean, that you're paying for the box. It's incredible. And I cannot wait to wear this guy. It is just stunning. I mean, hello. So again, this box is a quarterly subscription box, comes out each season, spring, summer, fall, winter. It is in the box below. It is $49.99 per box. So all the info, especially the scholarship as well, down in the box below. Again, you have until the 30th on that scholarship. So send in those videos, fill in the form. It'll take you all of 5 minutes. Not a big deal. So all of that is linked down below. If you missed my video on 10 more ballet myths busted, it's right down there. You can click it to watch. Love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow.